Sunlight filters through the canopy as Felix, the fox, bounds through the forest, his energy a vibrant contrast to the tranquil woods. His ears perk up, catching a faint, melodic whispering carried on the gentle breeze. Intrigued, Felix follows the mysterious sound, his tail wagging with anticipation. The lush forest surrounds him, alive with the songs of birds and the rustling secrets of leaves. Felix arrives at the River of Reflections, where dreamlike images shimmer instead of clear water. Fleeting scenes of his past and future reflect in the glowing river, showcasing his heroic potential. Luma, a shy water sprite with shimmering wings, appears near the ethereal waters. Luma says, "Without it, the river will fade, and the forest will lose its joy." Before Felix stands a giant clamshell, its surface shimmering with iridescent hues, a beacon of hope in the landscape. Nestled inside, the missing crystal glows with a warm, golden light, radiating peace and ancient power. A wise, ancient river turtle guards the crystal, its gaze both knowing and protective. Felix approaches with respect, his voice carrying on the gentle breeze. "I come seeking the crystal to restore the River of Reflections," he says, his plea echoing in the serene surroundings.